Hi guys, thanks for watching this quick tutorial of how I made this Hmong Inspired baby dress. So first I have a little pattern I drew out with a piece of paper, and you just want to cut it out. I just found the pattern online. It's very simple to make, as you can see. I just taped two pieces of paper together and then cut out the shape. So I bought a shirt from the St. Paul flea market with this Hmong pattern on it, and I've never really worn it, so I figured I might as well do something with it. So first you want to just sew the sleeve parts. And then the other side. So my method is where you can flip it inside out and then you'll have like this nice seam. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just fold the fabric twice and then sew it that way. But this way I felt was easier because you can just flip it inside out and then you don't have to worry about loose ends or it like not looking nice. So here I'm sewing the neck part. So all you sew is the neck part and the two sleeves sides, and then I pinned it so then it was easier to sew. So I just flip it inside out. And there you go, there's the front. See, and it looks nice. Really simple, quick, easy. You can iron it if you want. So then this part, I do the same thing to the back, and then this part is the dress part. So I didn't have any elastic, so I just sewed straight on through, and then you take one of the strings at the ends and you just kind of tug it to make that ruching effect. And then you just kind of measure, compare that to how big your shirt part is. So now I'm sewing that I just made the skirt part to the shirt part. And when you put the shirt and the skirt together, you go outside to outside, I guess. Or yeah, so I'll show you. Just sew it on there. And then you flip it open and then you have two pieces now for the front and the back. I didn't do the back, really a tutorial of the back. Let me know if you want to see a video of that. So now I just basically pin everything together. I pin the top so that the dress is even, and then I start pinning along the side. This is my first time I've made this dress, so it doesn't really line up, but it's cute, it's doable, and it's just for my little girl, so. So then I just pin along the whole side, and then you just want to stitch it up. And just to show like the, trying to make this video quicker, I didn't really sew the zigs. Usually I sew that zigzag on all the seams so that it doesn't unravel, or like if it rips on the first line, that zigzag thing saves it. So you can do that after. So I did that after, and then I cut all the strings and stuff nicely, but here I'm just kind of doing it quick to show you guys basically the main process so you can see how to do it. So I sew the top parts first where the shoulder is. I lost my scissors. So then you sew down where the armpit is, all the way down. And if you don't have the sizes, I can measure it if you want. All I did was I just took a onesie that I had, depending on what size you want to make, and then I just cut the pattern from that, and then measured it from that. So, but I can measure this if you guys want. Just message me or leave a comment. And then you do the other side. And I used to hate pinning stuff, but it really helps with lining fabrics together, lining up the fabric together and making it easier. So that little time it takes to pin is where it's well worth it. And if you're wondering about why I don't have that other piece to the sewing machine, it's because I lost it. So sorry about that. I mean, the machine works fine. It's just I used to put thread in that little cubby, and then I don't know what happened to it. So here I am just flipping it inside out. And we're almost done. If you wanted to put a zipper on the back, you can, but I have this nifty little thing I bought that kind of puts buttons on the outfits I'm making. So it's very convenient to not have to sew a zipper. You just kind of, it's like those buttons you see on onesies. And just kind of, you can get it on eBay. That's where I bought it. I think it was like $20. But because I'm not very good at sewing on zippers, so there, it's just like a button. And you just clip it, and there it is. There you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching again. Hope you liked it. I know it's my first dress I've ever sewn. So it's not very even, yeah. See